Are you sick and tired of working long hours trying to learn how to make money online with little to no success? What if I showed you how to work smarter, not harder to achieve your financial goals? Stick around because in this video, we'll explore and review 7 effective income streams that can help you boost your earnings with minimal effort. Throughout this video, we'll emphasize the importance of working smarter, not harder, as the key to achieving financial success. By leveraging these low-effort income opportunities, you can create a sustainable income stream that requires less time and energy than traditional jobs. Imagine earning money while you relax or pursue your passions. This approach not only frees up your time but also allows you to focus on what truly matters to you. So, if you're ready to discover how to make money online with minimal effort, stay tuned as we break down each of these income streams. We will also provide you with actionable tips to get started. Let's get straight into the video right now. 1. Direct response copywriting is a powerful marketing technique focused on prompting immediate action from potential customers. Actions like making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or clicking a link. Unlike traditional advertising, which aims to build brand awareness over time, direct response copywriting seeks to elicit a quick response, making it an essential tool for businesses looking to boost sales and engagement. The demand for skilled copywriters is on the rise, as companies increasingly recognize the importance of compelling content in driving conversions. This field offers lucrative potential earnings, with many copywriters charging anywhere from $50 to $300 per hour, depending on their experience and expertise. For those considering direct response copywriting as a side hustle, getting started is more accessible than ever. Begin by honing your writing skills and understanding the principles of persuasive writing. Numerous online resources, such as courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, can provide valuable insights into effective copywriting techniques. Additionally, reading books by renowned copywriters, such as The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert Bly or Influence by Robert Cialdini, can deepen your understanding of consumer psychology and persuasive strategies. Building a portfolio is crucial for showcasing your skills to potential clients. Start by creating sample pieces or offering your services to friends or local businesses at a discounted rate. As you gain experience, consider joining freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to connect with clients seeking copywriting services. With dedication and practice, direct response copywriting can become a rewarding side hustle. It not only enhances your writing abilities but also provides a significant income stream. 2. Video editing has emerged as a highly sought-after skill in today's digital landscape. With a growing demand for skilled editors across various industries, including marketing, entertainment, and social media. As businesses and content creators increasingly rely on video to engage audiences, the need for talented video editors who can craft compelling narratives has never been greater. One of the key aspects of successful video editing is the ability to tell a story. Editors must weave together footage, sound, and visuals to create a cohesive and engaging narrative that resonates with viewers. Creativity plays a crucial role in this process, as editors must think outside the box to enhance the emotional impact of the content and maintain audience interest. For those looking to embark on video editing as a side hustle, there are numerous platforms available for finding clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients seeking video editing services. Additionally, social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok can serve as excellent avenues for promoting your work and attracting clients. To develop your video editing skills, consider utilizing online resources such as tutorials on YouTube. Also, you can find courses on platforms like Skillshare or Coursera, and forums where you can engage with other editors. Familiarizing yourself with popular editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, is essential for building your expertise. With dedication and practice, video editing can become a rewarding side hustle that not only allows you to express your creativity but also provides a valuable income stream in a rapidly evolving industry. 3. Print on demand, POD, has emerged as a low-risk e-commerce side hustle that allows creative individuals to turn their designs into sellable products without the need for inventory or upfront costs. The process is straightforward. You create custom designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, or hats, and when a customer places an order, a third-party provider prints and ships the product directly to them. This model eliminates the financial burden of holding stock and minimizes the risk of unsold inventory, making it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Additionally, print on demand offers the flexibility to experiment with various designs and products, allowing you to tap into your creativity while generating income. However, the competitive landscape in the print on demand market can be challenging, as many individuals are vying for attention. To stand out, effective marketing strategies are essential. Utilizing social media platforms, engaging with your target audience, and leveraging search engine optimization techniques can significantly enhance your visibility and drive your sales. One valuable resource in this space is Build Your Store AI. This platform provides tools and resources to help you set up your online store quickly and efficiently. This allows you to focus on creating and marketing your designs rather than getting bogged down in technical details. With Build Your Store AI, you can streamline your operations, making it easier to launch your print-on-demand business and reach your financial goals. By embracing print-on-demand as a side hustle, you can explore your creative potential while building a sustainable income stream with minimal risk. 4. Content creation has become an increasingly popular side hustle, offering both flexibility and scalability for those looking to monetize their passions online. Whether you're a writer, videographer, podcaster, or artist, the digital landscape provides numerous avenues to share your work and generate income. One of the most appealing aspects of content creation is the ability to work on your own schedule, allowing you to balance your creative pursuits with other commitments. As your audience grows, so does the potential for scaling your efforts, turning a simple hobby into a sustainable income stream. There are various monetization options available to creators, each catering to different skills and audiences. For instance, you can earn money through ad revenue on platforms like YouTube or through affiliate marketing by promoting products relevant to your niche. Additionally, many creators opt for subscription models, such as Patreon, where fans can support them directly in exchange for exclusive content. 5. Selling digital products, like ebooks or online courses, is another lucrative option that allows you to leverage your expertise. Sponsored content and brand partnerships also present opportunities for creators to collaborate with companies and earn income while promoting products they believe in. To succeed in this competitive space, it's crucial to choose a platform that aligns with your strengths and interests, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or a personal blog. Commit to consistently building your audience by engaging with followers and providing valuable content. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your content creation side hustle into a rewarding venture that not only fulfills your passions but also generates income. 6. Virtual assistant. In today's job market, the role of virtual assistant has gained significant traction, reflecting the growing demand for flexible and efficient support across various industries. Virtual assistants provide a wide range of services, from administrative tasks like scheduling appointments and managing emails. In addition, they are skilled at specialized functions such as social media management, bookkeeping, and customer service. This flexibility allows VAs to tailor their services to meet the unique needs of different clients, making it an appealing option for those seeking a diverse work experience. The importance of organization and detail orientation cannot be overstated in this role. Successful virtual assistants must be adept at managing multiple tasks simultaneously while ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Strong communication skills are also essential, as VAs often serve as the primary point of contact between clients and their customers or team members. For aspiring virtual assistants looking to break into this field, there are several starting points to consider. Joining virtual assistant agencies can provide a structured entry into the profession, as these agencies often connect VAs with clients seeking specific skills. Platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands are excellent resources for finding opportunities and gaining experience. Additionally, networking through social media groups or online forums can help you connect with other professionals and potential clients. Building a strong online presence, showcasing your skills, and creating a portfolio of your work can further enhance your prospects. With the right approach and dedication, becoming a virtual assistant can be a rewarding career path. It offers both flexibility and the chance to work on a variety of interesting projects. 7. Passive income. Use strategies through investments in stocks and funds have become increasingly popular. These strategies are popular among individuals seeking to build wealth over time with minimal ongoing effort. One of the most effective ways to generate passive income is through dividend-paying stocks and funds. These investments provide regular cash payouts to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis, allowing you to earn income while holding onto your shares. Dividend-paying stocks are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to investors. While dividend-focused mutual funds are exchange-traded funds, ETFs, pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of such stocks. This approach not only offers a steady income stream but also allows for the potential of capital appreciation, as the value of your investments may increase over time. One of the key benefits of investing in dividend-paying stocks and funds is the power of compounding. When you reinvest your dividends, you purchase more shares, which can lead to exponential growth in your investment over time. This compounding effect can significantly enhance your overall returns, making it a powerful strategy for building wealth. Additionally, as the market grows, the value of your investments can appreciate, further contributing to your financial success. For those interested in exploring passive income through investments, there are numerous resources available to help you get started. Books, online courses, and investment blogs can provide valuable insights into stock market fundamentals and strategies. Websites like Investopedia and Coursera offer courses tailored to beginners. By taking the time to educate yourself about investing, you can make informed decisions that pave the way for a prosperous financial future. In today's video, we explored 7 lazy yet effective ways to make money online, providing you with practical options to boost your income with minimal effort. As you consider these opportunities, it's essential to find options that align with your personal strengths and interests. By leveraging your unique skills and passions, you can create a more fulfilling and successful online income stream. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with our content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content and reach a wider audience. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these money-making strategies, so feel free to leave a comment below with your experiences or any questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.